for others to understand. Okay? So the day that the last night of the funeral of my daughter, I have this revelation from the Spirit of God. And that night, I feel really, really sad, and I feel pain, something that I cannot explain or express. But it's like more than the pain in the journey where I experience, more than any journey that I had. So you will reach that dimension, that experience, once you experience that your firstborn child died. So that is the vibration that you will feel. It's something that you cannot explain, because it's unfair that we, or that the children will die first before the parents. It's not fair. So it's like a torture also for parents to see their children die. It's my first time. I didn't know. So that night, God revealed the secrets to me. And He told me that the message of God must not be delayed. So kailangan daw iparating. So the death of my daughter is nothing compared to what is going to happen to you and to your whole family. You will all going to die, the Spirit said. And not only your family, but the whole Philippines will die, and the whole world will die. So that's why God said the message of God must not be delayed. So we are all made of water, and the real tree of life is the river. River is the source of infinite life. Water. Anything that you take from water, water will come back to collect it again. So what is the fruit of life? So the fruit of life is all of those civilizations. Egyptian, Aztec, Greece, Mayan, all of them, Machu Picchu, because they managed to control or to manipulate the water, but not totally. That's why they were taken again by water. All of these civilizations are wiped out without any record, because the water come back. So that's why God said the water is coming back. We have to prepare. We have to prepare. So that is the fruit of life. All of those civilizations. And now our nation, country by country, all the people now who live, this is us. We are also a fruit of the tree of life. It's the river. Everything starts in the river, in the water. So there is only three energy. What we learned from the school, there is a four elements: fire, air, water, and earth. This is not true. Only three things: fire, air, and water. In combination of these three, the earth will exist. Or matter. So this three energy is where all things that matter exist in reality. So fire is our head. air is our lungs and water is our belly. The energy starts in your soul. Without the fire, it will not gonna create humans. So bago yan siya mangyari, it's all start in the fire, in our head, in our soul. You work with it, at pupunta rin siya sa tubig. Everything go to the water. Lalabas na yan sa lalaki, sa sperm ng lalaki. So ganun din yan. So that energy, yung sperm is very, very potent energy. It can create. So that is one example how these three energy you will combine. So for example, in between air and fire, in between this combination is also powerful. So ganun din dito, between air and water. So what is the main point here is water. The river water, and we, all of you are all water. So the curse is everywhere. And in our places, in our house, there's a lot of stagnant water. We have to fix it as soon as possible. Rains and it's shine, and then molds is floating, becoming dirty, becoming smell like death. So that will come to us. That is the channel of the witchcraft and sorcery. Even not the witchcraft. Even someone say something, this man must die, or this guy is this and that. It will penetrate us because that is the channel of the curse. So the curse is something that we cannot see, but they exist. So that's the one that the Spirit shared to me to share to you. No? So ganun. So yung tubig, water is the Spirit, is the life source. Siya yung life source natin, tubig. Without the water, hindi tayo mabubuhay. Ganun din yung parents natin na babae, siya yung water. If you will ever have a problem with your mother, kahit na ano pa yun, lagi kang maaapektuhan. Kasi tubig siya. Ikaw ay nanggaling sa kanya, sa tubig. Anything what she might wish can penetrate you kasi siya yung life source ninyo. Kaya, you cannot deny it. Hindi pwede. Kailangan talaga na aayusin nyo yun. Yung energy na yun sa water. Sa water. So, ganun din yung salamin. It represent din ng tubig. Kasi because of the reflection. So, kapag nasa tubig kayo, you are in the water, you see your reflection. Anything what you say to the water, nire-replicate na yun. Copy. The water become you, or become your words, or you become the water. Wala kayong pinagkaya. So whatever you say to the water, it will happen. At least always say to the water, remind them to flow to the river and sea. Bakit sila, why they always rushing, going to the ocean, to the sea? Because that's where they will die and revert again as a rain and flow again to the mountain or from the lake or from any man-made things, and then it will flow again to the river. That is the cycle of life. It's infinite. But once any negative energy, any curse, it goes to the ocean, they will die. They will become purified. Napu-purify sila rito. That's why the nature of water is to flow. And we, as a human, we must flow also. Whatever happen in our life, we must flow. So if all of us will follow the nature of nature, you will live like a nature, then you can avoid all of those problems or any chaos in life. Because everywhere is full of curse that we don't see. It's okay to fight with the devil because he or she will show himself to us. But the curse is everywhere. It's something that we will not see. So, because the curse is the thoughts also. So don't be mistaken with these two things, soul and spirit. What is soul and spirit? Sometimes we send message instead of saying spirit, we say soul, or soul we will put spirit. It looks like it's the same, but it's not. So don't be confused with this. So soul is the decision maker. He's the one who's doing the right and wrong. Thought. And the spirit is the water that flows to us, the life source. Yun yung connected sa Diyos, connected to God, all connected to your mother, and your mother connected to the water. It's all water. So the water, the spirit, have nothing to do in our life, in what happening in our life. Because all you have to do is to keep you alive. Because continue flow of energy from divine and all of this, you know. But the soul is the one who make a decision in our life. So it's up to the soul. So so all of these curse are what the witchcraft is using is can penetrate us. Now I see that it is true that it can penetrate us because they do their ritual and they use water as well, but they don't know that it's not all about just the ritual, but the water itself. So any one of you can do that. So now you know how first to protect yourself. Remove all of those stagnant water. Sometimes bucket outside. Sometimes we put our clothes, put soap and leave it for a few days. This is not good because it is the channel of the negative, not the negative energy, but the curse. Curse is something different. Yeah. Yung alulod sa bubong, if there's a leak, you need to fix it. Yeah, because that is the channel of negative energy that can penetrate you. Even not witchcraft, only someone say something bad against you, it will hit you. Yeah. So, yeah. So one of the marker is green. All of this witchcraft are prone to green color. They love it because that's what vibrates in their energy. So some people who come here, there is green shirt when they arrive. So only three things: either you've been recruited already by witchcraft or aswang, or you are one of it, or it's easy for you to be prone to witchcraft or any bad energy. Even someone who says something bad, it can hit you. So the real dark, it's not black. No, that's not true. What you see in dark, in black, is also black, but it doesn't mean it's darkness. The real darkness is green, because that is the vibration of the curse. So the curse is something like it cover us like a cloth of forgetfulness, cloth of invisibility. That is something really, really dark when you don't see what is behind or what is tomorrow or something else. So we don't see normally the curse. So that's what the Spirit explained to me. The real dark is green, and that is the curse. So sometimes some part of our property or house we cannot change the water leak or the stagnant water. All you have to do is to use salt. You have to mention to the water, flow to the river and sea, and then give salt. Once you give salt to the water feel that it embraced the sea, the ocean. So this is the same thing what God thought says in the emerald tablet. As above, so below. What is on the left is also on the right. It is the ocean. Ano ba yung nasa ilalim? Is sea water. Water. On the top is also water. On the right is water and also on the left. So this is the infinite source of life. At wala makakatalo sa kanya because of the salt. Ayan. So, ocean is anti-curse also. That's why you need all the time salt. Sometimes, for other people, these are still not easy to absorb or understand. But believe me, this is the truth. I don't care if you all believe or not, but this is, don't kill the messenger. I am just the messenger. I'm supposed to be not to tell this to you. Because you can use it to anything. It can harm yourself because of this. So be careful how you will use the water. Use it according to righteousness or good things. Sometimes you will make mistake, but don't do it again. We are still human. We can make mistake, but forgive yourself and do the right path and understand what is in this wisdom about water. And after that, what you experience, we will share it again to each other, so we can align and all know what is the righteous way to use it. So anything what you wish, you can use the water. You can ask also anything, just it must be on the water. When we go to the shower, say to the water, I am you, you are me. So, bring my old me, flow to the river and sea. Dadalahin niya yun. You will bring it. And through that, every time you go shower, you renew. You are newborn. You die and you born again. It's no difference because the water is also you. So, through this, it will prolong your lifespan. You can be a Methuselah, the Spirit said. Yes. You can live longer because it's not easy to live longer because not about evil things. It's about the curse. It's the curse. So, yeah, so don't be confused with this. Soul and spirit are different. Our body is just a vessel. So about the yin and yang, so there is the curse and also the positive things. The vessel and the curse is around it. So laging may curse pala. But we don't see it. Hindi natin pala siya nakikita talaga. So, mas mabuti pa na makalaban mo ang demonyo than the curse. So, the real dark is green. So, tandaan niyo lang yan, ano? Yeah. You see, all of you are listening. Because you are a real water. If one of you here doesn't listen, then he is not becoming a water anymore. He's missing water in the body also, because automatically the water is always listening. So that's why be careful when you are near the lake. Don't show your emotion, don't give negative vibration, because the water become you. And you get out, you leave him as your reflection, as a negative person, and someone comes to the water, it affects them. It affects them. So every time we will go to the water, give love, chant, bless it, and make it holy. We make all the water holy. This is the only way that the water will save us also. Yeah, because we are the reflection of water. So this is the great message of the Spirit that you have to learn. You have to hear. So, yeah. So where we will find the source, the God. Yeah. So that's why in all scriptures said, yeah, God is everywhere. Yes, it's true. It's the water. It's the water. So, yung waterfalls is also, it's like, these are the 0-point water without reflection. And those water without reflection yet, that is more clean and holy. Holy as a God. Holy like a Jesus. So, Jesus is in the well water. This is the vibration of Jesus. And spring water also. So if we will drink only from this water, we will live as long as we want, because it is the infinite source of life. Just water. Don't program yourself, 80 years old, I am going to die. Then it will going to happen, because you are water. It replicates also what you say. So be careful what you say. It will become you. It will become the water itself. You can hurt someone also by saying something bad to the water. You can do that. So that's why I'm telling you, this wisdom might destroy your life. So be careful not to make mistake, because something really bad is also going to happen to any one of you. Yeah. So start with small energy. Understand it. You can make mistake, but just small things. Correct it. You know, because we need to learn this new energy what God gave us. Our quest in Aztec is finished. Tapos na. Because they all died because of water. Because they didn't manage to take care of water. That's the truth, what the Spirit says. And that is going to happen to us also. The Spirit showed me that Moa is going to sink in the water. The water will take it again, because we as humans, we take over the water. So the water also is going to take over us. So, tapos yung all of the canal and river along the side are all not in a good vibration. So the water will come back and cleanse it again. Ayun. So Moa show it to me, and also some part of Greece will remove in the map because it will sink. So that's why God tell me, what you feel now is nothing to what's next going to happen. So in that vibration, in that experience, it's like the Spirit hinubaran niya ako, parang gano'n, nawala lahat yung nararamdaman. All sadness what I feel because of the death of my daughter disappear. Ganun. Pero yun nga, it's so high vibration na baliwala yung journey, kakaiba yung pakiramdam na mamatayan ka ng anak pa. So yun, besides that, I see many things that we can also help people who have because they need to settle down first before making a decision. The most vulnerable people are those people who have a dead family. If they have dead. Napaka-vulnerable nila. At lagi silang natitake advantage. So we, as knights, we can help those people na hindi sila matitake advantage. Just relax. Don't make any major decision. When everything is cool, then doon lang sila dapat mag-decide. And meron tayong parang support na nandun lang. Meron tayong totem or something crystal na nandun sa kanila. And a reminder na we are there for them. Gabay nila. So isang ganun. So may mga ganun bagay na pinakita sa akin. Pero this is the most important. It's about the water. So any practice what you are using now, what you learn from your grandmother, from your father, all of this witchcraft, panghihilot, panggagamot, all of this will become more effective. At kung ano man yung dasal na alam ninyo o orasyon, ay magiging effective siya. At lagi niyong tandaan, it's because of the water. Kasi nakikinig siya. He is alive. Buhay yung tubig. So, you can use your enchanting or something ritual mo kung ano man. Mangyayari talaga yun. Like for example, ito kasi matagal ko naman na ginagawa. So, before I collect coins, and I put it in one bucket. Tapos yung bucket na yan, once napuno na ng coins, so I bless. I put candle, and then I put salt in the coin, and a glass of water, and I pray. Magdadasal ako. Hindi ko pa alam yun noon na it's because of water. I just pray and I pray that this money will grow. So, lagyan ko siya ng asin and then I put the water on the coin, on the bucket. And then I pray to the coin. I say, money grow, money flow, abundance for me. Para kung ano. So, pagkatapos nun, I let it flow to the sink. I wash the coin. And I say, flow to the river and sea. Ganun din. Dumaloy ka. And flow and grow. Dumami ka. Pagkatapos nun, then that coins, I give it to someone for free. And then you get extra energy harvest. Anyone you give money, they're happy. Oh, thank you. But they haven't realized that they explode love. And this love that they explode, you collect it. So it's a good energy. And after that, believe me, after 1 week, you have to tell also when you need it. If you really need it tomorrow, very urgent, you can do that. You can do that. Or you need money next week, you can do that. But you have to be true from your heart that there is a real purpose for you. The water will help you. So, ganun pala yun. It's because of the water. So, yan. Ganun din. Also, the Egyptians, all of the people there are taken by water. Lahat. Ganun na nangyari. At mangyayari na ulit sa atin yan. So, anyone who are close to the river, be careful. Kasi doon magsisimula ang paglaki ng tubig. The river is the one who will take us. Siya yung siya rin yung duality. The river is the white snake to heal and create civilization, and also a black snake to poison, to revert. Yeah. Kaya yung ilog, the river, remember that there is no river that flows straight. That is impossible to happen. Always the river is going to move like a snake. Yeah. And the river is the one who have the spirit of the infinite source of life. So kaya, yun. So, lahat ng mga pinapractice nyo, o kung ano man, kung may tanong kayo, if you have any question, you can ask me, you know. Sometimes I don't know more what I can say. Yeah. So, yun yung pinaka-importante. Please, at your home, clean all of the dirty water. Think that this water is God. We don't step on the dirty floor. So that's why I changed also. That day that the Spirit revealed it to me, I come back home. And only that time I see hundreds of bucket and everything. All are with the water, dirty water, stagnant. I didn't see that. It's all around, not even here, but also outside. This affects us. Curse. It's the window of the curse. So at our place, where the water flow, when there is a blockage, let it flow, because His nature is to flow. Once we will do that, then good things will happen all of us. And now you know how to get it. You know how to hurt other also. You know everything. So be careful with this energy. So just it's not that you must not use it. You must use it and learn and understand. So we will know what is the more righteous way how to use it for the young people. So yun yung gagawin. And continue teaching. So God says to me, when you start, God, the Spirit's called me. Pinagalitan niya ako. Sabi niya sa akin, when you start, you sit in the grass. You sit on the earth. But you're doing the ceremony and you start your teaching. Ngayon na meron kang ganyan, bakit natigil? So kaya yung sabi niya, the message of God must not be delayed. Kasi nga marami naman na talaga siya itinuturo din sa akin. Kasi natigil din talaga yung ating pagkikita. So hindi rin tayo nakakapagturo. So kaya importante na nagtuturo kayo sa lahat ng mga ceremony nyo. Yun yung gusto ng Spirit. Yun yung gusto ngayon ng tubig. Baka hindi na mangyari yun na magkaroon ng reset o ano pa man ang tawag nyo doon. Reset, water will come back. God's return, Jesus' return. Yun din yun. Oh, by the way, Jesus is the only person who managed to cross the river. Jesus understands the river. Something is revealed to Jesus from the life of river. At ito na rin yung mga, and this is it what I am telling you now. Walang isang Jesus dito sa ating lahat. Kundi tayong lahat. Tayong lahat. Because alam natin, we know what He knows. So, ayun. No? Siya ang nakaintindi sa galing ng ilog, kaya niya narating mo. So, basta yun. May tanong pa kayo? Anong Pastor Ed? Witchcraft or something? Magtanong kayo kasi sasagutin natin.
Basta na
Sa mga pangkukulang. Okay, 288. So, meron tayong, we have a symbol in the door. It's 288. Yeah. So it is important that before our physical container die, we are prepared to our next journey. So what we can bring there is only memories, and the memory taker is the curse. So that's why we are weak when we lose some part of our memory. So kaya now we know how to to flow with that curse because it's also nature. It's part of one thing. It's part of one thing, the curse. So, in other dimension, the room 288, normally it says there on the wall is only 88. But remember, I am revealing this to you. It's 288. It's just in a plain sight. You don't see the 2, but you know it's 288. Other people who don't know this, they know that it's only double 8. But you know that there is a 2. Because it's 288. Yeah. So, it's the same thing as the ocean is the infinite source of life. Is wala siyang katapusan, kaya siya yun. So when our spirit will journey, there are some doors that you might see, and you might see this room 288 or double 8. It will remind you that this is the right door, because you will remember us this moment. You will remember. Yeah. So ayun. So whatever prayer you know whatever prayer you know that can you can repair negative energy or can calm you down, you must always remember it, because in another plane, that's what you can use prayers. So when we journey, when our spirit will journey, we will journey to the water. We will cross the water, and not everyone who will cross the water arrive safe. They show it to me. So there's a lot of battle in the water. Yeah. So the journey of the soul. So you will cross the ocean, and there are mountains of ice. Malamig siya. But behind that mountain of ice, everything is connected. The same thing with what Gab's tattoo here. Yeah. So this mountain is the ice mountain. So everything connect. All of your symbol have a connection to what you are talking about. Lahat mayroong dahilan. Lahat may dahilan talaga yun. Because we are all water. So, but then when you arrive in the destiny, there are several vessels what you can use. There are several body what you want to be. Ganon doon. Dito lang. Only here, we have only one vessel that we need to take care of. So, ayun. Naintindihan niyo ba? Roger, ikaw, ano bang
May tanong lang ako.
Sige.
Kasi real dark is
Para ma-enhance niyo siya.
paano yung pwede nating i-consider na yung nature is also dark?
Nature?
Usually pag sinabing nature, mga mapuno, ganyan.
Yes, but that is only belong to the plants. We are not plants. Yeah. Yeah.
Iba ang sa plants, iba yung
So
sa mga
when there
tao.
is a green, then it should be plants. But why you are green? You're not plants. So the curse is easy to penetrate you. So now, all of the green we have to remove in our wardrobe. Everything, because this is easy to be penetrated by any bad energy. Yun yung pinakita minsan. Kaya, the stagnant water, what color it will be? Green. And this is the color of death. Because the water cannot flow. It's sad. It's dying. Yeah. So kaya, yun, ganun yung pinakita sa akin. So, the real dark is green. So, yun. I-avoid na lang natin. But now, you have a marker. For example, someone will come to your house and you know is wearing green. And then you know that you need to watch out with this person. Something wrong with this. Oo. Diba? Oo. So, ganon. So, through that, we are always aware of this curse. Maiiwasan nyo at mag-iiba, it will change how you live now. Yeah, so this is a gift not only to me, sa atin lahat. Kasi kung hindi ko ipaparating sa inyo, I might die with all of my children. Sabi ng Diyos, wala nang problema. I can make Jamela alive again. But this is not the important now. Deliver the message, otherwise all of you will die. Grabe, pinagalitan. So bakit hindi susundin, diba? So yun, nasa sa inyo yun. Pero I know it will be very effective. Ganon din, halimbawa si God. So it depends ano bang ginagawa ninyo sa buhay. Halimbawa si God as a warrior this time. May boxing siya. You can go to the water. Doon siya kayo sumuntok sa tubig. I-feel mo yun. You are me, I am you. We are one. Yung makakalaban niya, tubig din yun. Pero kailangan may dala kayong asin. Lagi. No? Totoo pala yun. Dati akala ko lang kung ano yung mga matanda lang na mga albularyo. Yung pala talagang, meron pala talagang ibig sabihin. Napaka-powerful. It's very powerful, the salt. So that's why we will call it Salt March. Tayo yung ngayon, yung laging may asin. Alam natin yung power. Napaka-simple lang. Yung energy, it's everywhere din, di ba? So, lahat ng palengke meron. Mas maganda yung normal lang na salt sa palengke. Very powerful. So, those water that you cannot already cleanse, just put salt. Always mention to the water, flow to the river and sea. Bumalik ka na to. Matatandaan niya yun. So, ganun. So yeah, for example, with God, ano pwede natin gawin doon? Doon ka ngayon sa tubig, ihiling. Ibigay mo totoong attention mo. Ikaw siya, ikaw. So, pwede mo siyang kantahan, mag-offer ka ng kanta sa kanya, magbabibrate yun kung ano yun talaga nasa puso. Replication. Kaya may reflection. Importante yung reflection. So, ganun din yung salamin natin. Kung yung salamin ninyo, pag uwi nyo, nakita nyo marumi, linisin nyo na agad. Dati, hindi. Wala rin naman akong pakialam doon. Minsan, marumi naman talaga. No? Pero hindi pala maganda. Kailangan dalisay siya palagi, malinis, parang fresh water din. Kasi kung ano yung reflection niya, either siya ay maging ikaw or ikaw ay maging siya. Iingatan niyo siya lang. So, ganun din. Kaya, even without water, you can do your ritual in the mirror. You can use several reflection. Black tourmaline or mercury mirror, red mirror. Bahala kayo. But as long as there is a reflection, it's the same energy. Pwede na mag-do. You can vibrate your love. So, use it outside the circle, please. Outside sa bilog natin. Sa ibang tao. Sa ibang lugar. Kasi kung dito, mga kasamahan din natin, nasa bilog natin, it might something bad is going to happen sa inyo. Huwag dito. Huwag niyong gamitin dito. Pati panggayuma po pwede rin. You can make someone who loves you. Kaya, be careful with this energy. Huwag kayong babalik sa akin, sasabihin niyo sa akin, Master, napasama ang buhay ko Abay, sinabi ko na nga sa inyo. No? Pero hindi ako pwede magsinungaling. Kailangan malaman niyo. Kasi, ganitong pinandama sa akin. God, let me feel this. If you do mistake, you cannot escape because He is the water. Siya naman yung haharapin nyo Tama nga naman. Anong dapat kong ikabahala? Dapat kong sabihin sa inyo kasi Diyos naman yung inyong kaharap. If you wish something bad, it might happen. Gagawin niya yun. Because He is you, you is He. So, nasa sa inyo yun. So, kaya, ito, sinasabi ko sa inyo exactly kung ano yung dapat na marating sa inyo. Kasi sa pamamagitan ninyo ay maiiwasan nyo yung curse at mas magiging maganda yung daloy. You can choose and you can measure, masusukat nyo ang panahon. You can measure time or experience. Alam na ninyo, malalaman na ninyo ngayon, after 20 years, nasaan tayo, anong ginagawa natin. Tayo pa rin nun, pero tayo yung mga top brass na mga nagtuturo. Kailangan magturo kayo palagi. Yun yung gusto ng tubig. So, but through that, you have benefits. Binigay na ngayon sa atin yung yung kung paano gagamitin. Napaka-powerful ng maniwala. Kahit na ano i-manifest mo, magagawa na doon lang sa tubig. So kaya pag pumupunta kayo sa, if you go to the waterfalls, this and that, now you know, you really need to be very, very careful. Because maybe there are some killer instinct person go to that water before you arrive. So the water can be a bad one. Kasi nag-replicate siya doon. Always cleanse the water. Vibrate. Mag-iingat kayo lagi sa tubig. No? So, cleanse first before giving you energy. Okay. Kasi baka makuha kayo ng tubig. Ganun. So, ganun din. So, halimbawa sa Manila, ang daming kanal, ang daming mga estero. This is bad. Kasi hindi na siya nagpo-flow sa river and sea. So, or sometimes, pag nadadaan kayo sa mga ganun, may dala kayong asin, sabuyan nyo siya para na i-embrace ng tubig yung ocean kasi maalat. Nakikleanse din yung energy niya. Para hindi tatama sa inyo yung curse. At saka laging care ka doon sa tubig. Therefore, yung careful God. Siya kasi yung magbibigay ng infinite source of life sa inyo. So, yung tubig sa balon, yan ay the same vibration ni Jesus. Ganun din yung water, yung spring, yung bukan. That water is what we need. So, kung magki-cleanse kayo ng isang lugar, ganun din pag nagki-cleanse kayo ng mga bahay, di ba? So, you can do the cleansing. So ngayon mas righteous, mas maganda yung magagawa ninyo. You can all cleanse any houses. And this can give you something in return. Hindi masama yun. Kasi mabuti naman yung intention. Yung intention, importante yun. Because what you will do is bring fresh water, yung galing sa bukal o kung saan, basta malinis, o kung hindi, i-bless mo yung isang tubig na dadalahin mo. Kantahan mo siya, i-bless mo. So pagka holy na siya, yun ngayon ay dadalahin mo doon sa lugar, to the place of the house na i-bless nyo na inyong. So, lagyan nyo ng tubig and bring salt. So this is the consecration of place yung inyong i-bless. Lagyan nyo ng asin para kahit na ano pang bad energy ron pala, ay totoo nga pala talaga na dapat ma-embrace niya is the infinite source of life, yung ocean. So yung asin lang. The salt cannot be replicated. Hindi pwedeng gawin ang salt in the laboratory. It's the only salt. Sea salt is sea salt. So kaya yung structure niya ay kakaiba. So ayun. You can cleanse any houses, also your houses, just with the salt, water, and pray, say that you must flow to the river and sea. Lahat ng negatibo doon, tatanggalin na pala talaga. Dati hindi pa naman ako ganaw naniniwala. Pero ito nga yung nakita ko. So water and salt. So yung stagnant water, once you put salt, maghihiwala yung tubig. Iibabaw yung malinis at bababa yung mga dumi. So that part, it's not bad because it creates earth. dahil doon sa process na yun, nagkakaroon ng matter. Kasi hiwalay yung ano. So, pagkatapos nun, kung mainita naman siya, mag-evaporate lang at babalik na ulit. Hindi lang isang ulan. Ganon ang buhay niya. Ganon din daw tayo. Ganon. So, yun yung life cycle natin. So, kaya, kung mapapangalagaan natin yung flow ng buhay natin like a river, then we will win this life. Ayan. Hindi tayo mamamatay. Don't rush things in life. As much as possible, follow how the nature grow. Ganun din daw dapat tayo. But anything we bend ay merong malakas na energy rin na kukuha sa atin too. It's also water. So that's why it's not also good to think something bad to our family, to our wife, to our husband, to our brother, sister, auntie, because it will going to happen because they are water. Yeah. So you need to cleanse it immediately if accidental, because we are still human. Sometimes we think something harsh. Cleanse it immediately. Bless it. Beam with light of love. Ganun yun na lang. Kasi ano, mangyayari pala talaga because they are water. Tatamaan sila. So, yun. Any question? So, yung may mga green na damit, please tanggalin mo. Oo. So, yun palit ka na lang.
Sa damit lang yung pwede
because
tanggalin.
yung curse already passed by in and out na dyan. Kasi the same vibration yung magbabibrate. Kaya mo siya gusto. Kasi yun din yung nagbabibrate doon. What is outside is also inside. So, hindi magbabago yung batas ng universe. Ganun talaga. Yung ocean will remain the same law yung batas na. Yun yung pinakita sa akin. Simple lang. But, it doesn't mean green ay siya nang talagang dapat parang useless na siya dahil nakakasawa. Hindi. It create also to complete the rainbow. Oh, pero yun nga, kasama siya sa life. Yung holiness ng Diyos ay nandun katabi niya rin yung curse para balance siya. At yun yung invisible na hindi natin talaga nakikita. Siya yung totoong darkness. Kasi filtration yun para bago ka makarating doon sa kaharian saan mag-place yun. Flow to the river and sea. Okay na. Kaman.
Tapos next na siya.
Ha? Meron pa?
Damit lang ang sa mga belonging, damit lang yung pwedeng i-let go. How about yung mga crystal, mga ganun?
Lalo na. So, madalas nag-ano tayo ng jade. Chains. Huwag nyo na rin ipamigay. No? Kasi, kawawa lang din yun. Madali silang maghihirap. Lagi silang nadadali ng curse. Huwag na tayo maghiregalo.
So, ano, tatapon na lang. Paano gagawin? Anong gagawin doon sa mga green na crystals?
Kasi prone tayo sa vibration ng curse. Eh, ganun din. Pero sa ngayon, mas naintindihan na natin na mas makakakuha ka pa na mas maraming pera. Tubig lang ang kapapag. So, tools din yan before. Pero ngayon yung upgrade ka na. Hindi naman siya naging masama kasi you can curse someone. Kasi curse din yan akin na. So, ngayon, pag binigay mo to sa akin, so I can use curse because the same vibration. So, yung green, what I'm explaining is how you will also going to learn to use it. You can curse using green things. Kasi yung vibration niya is the same. So, if I have this, if I wish for something, to curse someone, it's being more powerful. So, what is the curse you expect? abundance,
Same space.
money to come.
Ganun ba natin?
That is curse. So then the money will come to you. But then, it doesn't mean it's bad. Oo. Pero most of the people are using the curse to create something bad. So it's not always. You can use the curse to produce something positive. And that is our goal to do. Pag-aralan natin mabuti. So, for now, it's best to be in the 0 point. No green para walang umaapekto muna. And then now you know how. Okay, you want to do some curse or something, some ritual, then you have something green to connect more strong to the curse. So, ayun. Pero, siyempre, it's because you know, there are some things in our house that we cannot really change. It's green, sometimes the bottle or wala tayong magawa doon. But you know, for a person who will come to you or you arrive in one shop and there are two who are in green, then you know these two persons need to be watched out. Your awareness about the curse will be cursed if any attack will come to you because you are aware. The curse can penetrate because we are not aware. And now we have a marker. If we see green, then we have marker to be aware of the curse. The more that you are aware, you are shielded. So yun. So kaya yun, magiging marker ninyo, green. Sometimes, green car is gano'n. So, ganun din, yung 200 pesos ngayon, green. Ginagastos ko agad yun eh. Oo. I spend it immediately.
Paano po yung mga dollar? Kulay green.
Buy something. Anything. Green ba? So now, black is even, it's fine to wear or to have. But at least you know also that black is another energy. It doesn't mean it's bad, it's you who will drive it. So, yeah, the real black, dark, is green. So, start manifesting whatever you want when you arrive home. First, cleanse around you. Cleanse. Pray. Bless your space with clean water also. Bless mo lang siya. And then put some salt to embrace the ocean. And after that, use any spell you want or attract what you need. Hindi masama yun. Gawin mo yun. Yung spirit ang nagbigay sa inyo yun. I-deliver ko sa inyo. So, ayun. So, yun. Nawala yung yung pain ko after niya nasabi yun sa akin. Nakita ko kasi ang daming namatay na tao. Yung MOA talagang kinain ng tubig. So, ganun din yan. Kagaya ng Atlantis, ng Egypt, ganyan. Lahat yan sila kasi kinongkar nila ang tubig. Ngayon, kung magsisearch kayo sa Google, tignan nyo yung mga ancient palace, ancient structure. Laging merong malapit sa tubig, may waterfalls. So, for sure, during that time, napakayaman nun. Pero inabandon na lang. Yes, because nobody can win with the curse. Kung walang curse doon, until now, palagay ko mabulaklak pa yung paligid mo. So hindi, ganun lagi. At lalo na yung mga magagandang structure malapit sa ilog and they are all abandoned. Kasi something bad happened to them. And because of water. Especially if your house is close to the river, this is very dangerous kasi kung whatever energy the river brings, So that's why you have to know, if you are living close to the river, you always have to talk to the river. It must be you, and you become. Dapat you're supposed to feel if there is a danger, because the river will feel it first. So it depends what is the situation in each location where you will go. Or you can ask water to protect you from any curse, to bring all the curse back to someone who's cursing you. You can do that. Use that power. Yeah. So sometimes if we are starting to don't listen to something, we are lessing water in the body. Kailangan mag-hydrate. No? We are losing also our hearing. Because water, the nature of water is listening. Always listen. At gagawin niya yun. It always replicate. So ganun din tayo. Lagi tayo nakikinig kasi tubig tayo. Yun pala yung nature natin. Dapat lagi tayo nakikinig. So, ayun. No? So, pati yung mga tubig dyan sa baba, tinanggal ko na rin kagad. Wala na. Tapos yung mga nababasa doon, tinapatan ko rin ng electric fan. I put electric fan. So, all the wet place is dry. After that, I feel better. I didn't know before. I'm sorry, guys. I am also a student like you. So, but now God revealed it. So let's do that way. I'm sure you will feel the blessing of the Spirit. As a warrior, you will win. For sure. For sure. Talk to the water by heart. You want business? Business. So, yun lang. About the... So, we will have at least monthly visit to river. And we will bless the river. We will bring holy water. This holy water where we will get from spring or balloon. But what we can get is the water from the church, from grotto. I have 1 gallon downstairs. Kasi yung purified water na yon from the well or from the spring, once we put to the dirty water, it replicates. So magiging holy at dalisay din siya. For sure, it just maybe takes some times, but the vibration is the same. So ganun yung gagawin natin. So we will go to some place, what river, we will bless the water, we will sing to the water, we will talk to the water, flow to the river and sea, and after that we can go barbecue, we can drink and do something. So we will have some activity to do, yeah. Or by group anywhere you go. We have to do that to help the water na mag-flow sila. And always, they will give you blessing.
Puro ganun.
Andrea, may question ka sa mga spells, something, spells or sorcery, it will gonna work this time better than before. Water, clean water. And after that, you also have soap. So you have balance. You want to cleanse your things, soap lang. Reset na yan. Simula ka ulit. Yeah.
Pag gagamitin siya ulit for manifestation, so sa clean water, then the
intention with the water. There must be a water.
Tapos papapakawalan po na namin na.
And then release it deep into the sea because it will flow for sure to the river and sea. And not in the tumbler. Because there is no reflection when your water is in the tumbler. It's better you have tumbler but transparent so the water can see you and you can see him. So, mas maganda yung ganun. You have alay. Yung tubig, the tubig is your weapon against. This is very powerful. It's anti-curse or any negative attack. So water that is isolated like in the balloon or well, this is in 0 point because there is no reflection. It's in the dark and its fresh came out from the earth. So that's why it is pure. So if we always drink that, then we will live longer. God, the infinite source of life is within us and we will become one. So, yun. So if you will buy property, you know, avoid river. Otherwise, master the law of the river, the energy of it. Wala namang problema. But as much as possible, go uphill. And a place with a well, yung may balon na hindi talaga nawawala ng tubig or may bukal. This is the most important spot na kukunin ninyo next time in your journey in life. Yun yung kukunin ninyo because that is the main source of the infinite life, and through that you can vibrate, and everything what is below before the water arrive in the river will manifest whatever you vibrate in that water. Yeah. So ikaw yung pinakadulo, pinaka-zero point. Yun yung mga, that is the most important spot pagka magbili kayo ng property. And avoid close to the water, especially dirty water. Laging pintuan yun. It's always a window of the curse. Yeah. People live in that kind of thing or place. May mga masamang nangyayari. We are used to it because we don't see it. Balot ng balot pala tayo. We are totally covered with curse. Yeah. Napakadilim. We don't see it. So, ayun. With my daughter, yeah, it's true. We have a several spiritual attack with witches, mangkukulam, and aswang. And, you know, I'm not totally focused on that before. But now God showed it to me. Wala na napaparusahan na mangkukulam. They are many. So the place where we've been in Pangasinan, I discover now that all of that island is all one. Magkakaisa sila as a witch and aswang. And yeah, more than hundreds of them. So sabi nila hindi, they didn't jealous on me because I thought it's the jealous. No, I said, we didn't jealous to you if you have business, this and that. But we feel threat because you are a healer and you enter in our space. But how do I know that? We book an Airbnb in that place that we even don't know. So, ganun ang nangyari. And, so naging threat pala ako. So therefore, lahat ng mga orasyon nila, lahat ng ano nila, nakadagdag yun. It adds how it penetrates our shield here. So before we go to Pangasinan, I feel already that something bad energy will crush from the south. So that's why I decide to bring all of my family by the beach and pray to the last sunset of the sun bago transition, kasi nasa new age na tayo. We are now in the new age of cycle of life. Natapos na yun noong 19. So we are fully Aquarian age today, starting last few days ago, 19. So this is a new age. So something is really iba ngayon. A new cycle. So that's why we have to be very aware of all of those curse. We might have something to gagawin or destiny. Kaya siguro siya sa atin China. So, ikaw, Julius, green mo, no? Kahit hindi naman fully green. So, madali kang maloloko. Parang gano'n. Madali kang maka-curse. So, iwasan mo yun. Instead of green, change it to light blue or blue. Change it with blue. So, ayun. May tanong ka, Julius. Ano ba yung mga orasyon mo? Ilabas mo na. Oh, yun. Gagana na yan. No? All of your witchcraft will work. Use water.
Yeah, because of water.
Use it outside the circle, please.
Saan?
Huwag dito sa atin. So, yun. Sir, may tanong ka? So, yun. One of your journey, you see how you die. So that's how we take care of river. You can live like Methuselah. You need to find the infinite source of life. Pwede ka mag-buhay. Before you drink water, talk to the water. You are a medicine. Kung ano man yung sakit mo, o kung anong gusto mo, heal mo or something. My stomach is pain. You're the medicine. Then the water will replicate what you say. And water is also can be poisonous. In one meeting room, you vibrate that all of this water become poison. And for sure, all of these participating people in the meeting room will have a stomach pain or something. They might can die, believe me. So this energy, this power is very powerful. Please be careful with it, with the water. What you say, it will become. Yeah. Mangyayari yun. Tubig lang. Kahit yung tubig, even the water holding of someone in the bar or some restaurant, you can point energy to that water and she will become. Totoo siya. No? Totoo siya. So, ayun. Yun lang yung pinaka-importante. That's the most important thing that I would say to you.
So wala rin connection yun dun sa mga green leafy foods.
Wala. Oo, because that is the nature of the
Nature
plants.
pa rin siya.
Oo. That belongs to plants. Oo. Oo. Hindi. Pero sa tao, hindi naman, normally brown lang naman tayo eh. So, the soul decide kung anong binabibrate ng soul. Soul can vibrate in dark and also light. Is the decision maker. So may deception din siya na ano, meron din siyang panloloko, meron din siyang greed or something. Our souls, the thought is trickster. So kaya we have to use it what is righteous. Hindi natin mababalik agad yun kasi it's part of one whole thing. Oo. Yung soul. So, ayan. Yung spirit, yun yung magbibigay lang ng infinite source of life natin. Yun lang ang ginagawa niya. Holy lang siya talaga. It's just a holy thing. It's a divine, infinite source of life. Pero wala siyang kinalaman sa decision ng ating soul. This is two different things. Okay na? Master, baka may tanong ka. Manifest na, bukas. So, ayun. So, doon sa in the funeral home, I see in the backyard, there is two stagnant water. Yeah? There is two stagnant water where the ducks are swimming. It's dirty, murky, black, green water. This is good for that business because it vibrates death. Para sa kanila, okay yun. Kasi yun yung negosyo nila. So it doesn't mean it's bad. But all of that kind of vibration will enter their business. May papasok na customer sa kanila. May mga patay. Because that's what they do. So that's why, please be very careful with this. This is very serious thing. Just calm down and understand it. So para dun sa punerarya, okay. Tapos mag-iipon pa sila ng tubig. Okay lang yan para sa kanila. Lagi yung papasok doon ang patay. Hindi naman ganun yung ating hanap buhay tayo, hindi hanap patay. No? So yun, iba yung dalisay dapat yung tubig. One day in your life, magkakaroon kayo ng isang magandang shop, magpapatayo kayo. Kung gusto nyong tumagal ito at mas maging successful, meron kayong waterfalls dyan or something water, but it must be always clean. Kung magagawa nyo yun, doon ka lagi nag-vibrate. Papasok sa'yo na yung kasi ganito, the Spirit says, kung anything what we conquer on the water, it come back 4 times width and 4 times high. Kung ang naapektuhan natin tubig ay 4 na galon, 1 galon lang, babalik yun ng 4 na beses ang lapad at 4 na beses ang taas. Minimum, ganong karami. So therefore, if you vibrate something bad, then something bad will happen to you too. 4 times width, 4 times high. If you vibrate something good, or alam nyo na kung ano yung maganda, righteous na gawin, it will come back to you 4 times width and 4 times high. Minimum. Ganun. Kaya huwag kayong magugulat if you vibrate something small at ang laki ng dumating sa'yo. It's okay. Okay lang yun. Kasi ganun yung abundance. Ganun yung curse. Ganun din na babalik sa inyo. Kung masama, ganun din siya kalaki. Pero kung kabutihan, ganun din siya kalaki. So, ayun. So, pag-practicean ninyo ng mabuti. No? Ayun. So, meron kayong tanong, hindi mag-message lang kayo. Lahat naman mag-a-add ng accumulation ng knowledge at kailangan tayo lahat alam natin yun. Okay. So, continue na ulit tayo na magtuturo-turo kung ano lang yung alam natin. So, especially yung water, kahit naman hindi, even we don't say it complete details, but in physical reality, it's actually really not good because stagnant water will cause mosquito, disease or something. So vibration is the same, death, in spiritual things. So ayun, yeah. So this is the most yung first talaga, pinakamalaki. Okay, so pwede tayong kumain sa baba, no? Isa-isa lang. Meron ng pinrinito si Rani doon. Master Ed, may tanong ka ba? Naintindihan mo ba yung lesson natin? No? So kaya, mag-iingat sa mga bawat salita. Because it will come back 4 times width and 4 times high. Ganon. Ganon din sa isip natin. We can manipulate the water or someone through the water only by thinking with a will of intention. Talagang yun, talagang gusto mo. Oo, mangyayari yun. Kasi tubig yun. So, sayang yung ating ano ngayon. Maraming na-skip, pero ito yung this is the most important kasi ito talagang pinapa-deliver ng Spirit sa akin. Pero this is the thing what the Spirit tell me to deliver. So ngayon, pwede nyo ibalik doon sa mga nanakit sa inyo, pwede nyo ibalik yung mga alam nyo na naramdaman nyo na parang unusual naman pagkakasakit ko, unusual naman pagkakapilay ko. Tinira siguro ako na basta pwede nyo gawin yun. Sige, lahat ng mga nanakit sa akin, ibalik mo lahat sa kanila yun. I-vibrate mo sa tubig. Magbigay ka ng asin. Flow to the river and sea. Babalik yun. Mararamdaman mo yung pag ginawa may something nangyari. No? Pwede yun. So, gamitin niyo yung power na yun. And let us all know what's happened. No? Nandito tayo para magtulungan. Ayun. At isang bagay din yun para maiwasan natin yung curse. Hindi na tayo takot sa demonyo. Yun yung totoo. Pero yung curse ay nakakatakot pala talaga.